Hey, what's going on guys? Assad here, and in this tutorial I'm gonna talking about the Math.trunc method. So what this method of function does is return the integer part of a number by removing any functional digits. So that means you can if in simply put, if you give a decimal number, it won't show up there. So it would be better if you do that. So what we're gonna do is 13 point I mean sorry log it on a console, use the math dot trunc, and we will paste something like 13.37. So when you do that, it's gonna give you, wait, what? Oh yeah, it's t will be smaller, lowercase I mean. So 13. And now if you go to 3.99, which it still give you 13, because it's not go to the nearest rounding number or something. Instead it will remove the things after the point. That means if you do like 0, it doesn't matter, 0 point, like not comma, point, something like this, it will directly show you 0. If will give you, if you want to give you -0, it will only give you the -0. So this is what it does. Hope you guys understand. That's it for today's video guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.